Hello, welcome to Mini System Test 6. As you can see in this video, we have the Firelite MS-4, the demo board for it, and this have a dead NAC. That's why it has a NAC fault, and I'm using a battery hack. That's why there's no battery fault. And for the first device, we have an Edwards Genesis G4AV LED horn strobe. This is a new device in my collection, so expect to be getting a review video from this pretty soon. Below it we have a system sensor i3 2W-B photoelectric smoke detector, and that is on zone 2. And below it we have a Simplex MS-301C, and that is on zone 1. And I believe it's actually a Mircom pulse station, a Canadian Mircom pulse station, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But I did get this brand new in box, and it does say Simplex right on it. And to reset this pulse station, you use a screwdriver. As you can see, we have the system sensor screwdriver right here. So we can go ahead and open up the panel. And in the panel, as you can see, here's our NAC circuit. You can go ahead and zoom in just a little bit there. There is NAC 1. NAC 2 is dead. I'm actually going to be getting a replacement chip for it, so hopefully you'll be seeing this panel system all normal pretty soon. Here are the two zones. Here are two 4.7K end-of-line resistors, and here's my battery hack I did. As you can see, there's a wire going from the positive, the non-resettable 24-volt power positive, all the way down to a little wire connector on the battery right there. So that's basically everything for the inside of the panel. As you can see on the door, there's all the stickers and stuff. Here's the AC power. You can actually press this little button right here, which, as you can see, completely turns off the panel. And if you let go, it does a restart, turns back on. And the NAC fault comes up. And even if I put a resistor in these terminals for that NAC, it's still going to come up with the trouble, so I just don't bother with it. Alright, so first things first, we can go ahead and do the Simplex pulse station. In 3, 2, 1. That was a little bit weird. Acknowledge it. And that's an LED strobe. And we can go ahead and press the silence button. Like so. And I think what you guys heard in the beginning, where it only beeped once, like per code 3 cycle, I'm using system sensor sync and selective silence over 2 wires, which I don't think that's technically rated to work with this alarm, because it's supposed to be working with an EST panel. Has the correct syncing and the correct selective silence. This is a 2-wire device, so the only way I can get audible silence is to use it with the system sensor sync protocol, and that seems to work, but it's not rated for that, so that's why it does that little weird stuff. And I'm not sure if it'll actually sync these together, because I don't have multiple of them, and I'm not sure if it'll sync with a standard Genesis. I'll be doing some testing with that in a future video. So there you can see zone 1 activated. We can go ahead and reset the pulse station. All you have to do for that is you have to make sure this is in the middle. If it gets slid to one side, it won't let you push it up all the way. Set it all the way up. And with your screwdriver, it has to be a flat head, and it has to be flat to the bottom. Push it in until you feel the spring, and pull back, and you can feel it clip into place. After that is clip back, we can go ahead and open up the panel and press the reset button. As you can see, it does a lamp test, and the NAC fault's going to come back up. And next we can do the system sensor i3, and this is a 2-wire detector on zone 2. 3, 2, 1. And sounds like that time the alarm actually went off properly. And silence. Maybe. There it goes. Alright, so now we can go ahead and press the reset button. And the NAC fault's going to come back up. And go ahead and close the panel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't seen my new System Test 1 video, go make sure you watch that. It kind of gives a little overview of my entire house system. I do have a lot of other panels that I'm going to be building demo boards for, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.